Maintaining a healthy heart is essential for overall well-being and longevity. While genetics and lifestyle play crucial roles, diet is one of the most significant factors affecting heart health. Here are 7 foods that are particularly harmful to the heart and should be consumed with caution or avoided altogether. 1. Processed meats. Processed meats such as bacon, sausages, hot dogs, and deli meats are high in saturated fats, sodium, and preservatives. These components can raise blood pressure, increase cholesterol levels, and contribute to the development of heart disease. The World Health Organization has classified processed meats as carcinogenic, further highlighting the need to limit their consumption. 2. Sugary beverages. Sugary drinks, including sodas, fruit juices, and energy drinks, are loaded with refined sugars that can lead to obesity, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes. These conditions are significant risk factors for heart disease. Moreover, the high-calorie content in these beverages can contribute to weight gain, further burdening the cardiovascular system. 3. Trans fats. Trans fats are artificial fats found in many fried foods, baked goods, and processed snacks. They are known to raise LDL, bad, cholesterol levels while lowering HDL, good, cholesterol levels. This imbalance can lead to the buildup of plaques in arteries, increasing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. The FDA has taken steps to ban trans fats in food products, but they may still be present in some items, so it's essential to read labels carefully. 4. Refined grains. Refined grains, such as white bread, white rice, and pastries, have been stripped of their fiber and essential nutrients during processing. This lack of fiber can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance and an increased risk of heart disease. Opting for whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oats can significantly improve heart health. 5. High sodium foods. Foods high in sodium, such as canned soups, salty snacks, and fast food, can lead to hypertension, high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Excessive sodium intake can also cause fluid retention, putting additional strain on the heart. The American Heart Association recommends limiting sodium intake to less than 2,300 mg per day, with an ideal limit of 1,500 mg for most adults. 6. Red meat. While red meat, including beef, lamb, and pork, can be part of a balanced diet, excessive consumption is linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Red meats are high in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can elevate blood cholesterol levels. Studies have also suggested that red meat consumption may lead to the production of certain compounds that can contribute to heart disease. 7. Commercial baked goods. Commercially baked goods like cookies, cakes, and pastries often contain high levels of trans fats, saturated fats, and sugars. These ingredients can contribute to obesity, high cholesterol, and elevated blood pressure, all of which are detrimental to heart health. Homemade baked goods, using healthier ingredients and minimal sugar, are a better alternative. Heart health is deeply influenced by dietary choices. Reducing or eliminating the consumption of processed meats, sugary beverages, trans fats, refined grains, high-sodium foods, red meat, and commercial baked goods can significantly lower the risk of heart disease. Instead, focus on a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats to promote a healthy heart and overall well-being. Making these dietary changes, along with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle, can lead to a longer, healthier life.